What's up, everybody? What's going on here? Really quick here. Wanted to hop on first. Say welcome to all the new people that's got started with our team. Got a few updates here. One, I'm going to be really quick here because I know we got a webinar coming up here, and Lanace is right here to my right, and she just got through finishing coding the system and all that stuff. So we're going to cover that. We've got a few things I want to touch on just really quick here. Our new team name, or really a team name that we had back in the day that we wanted to revamp. It's called Self-Made Empire, and we actually built a lot of self-made entrepreneurs that really built an empire using this particular structure. So more to come with that later on. But so if you start seeing some self-made empire, this or SME, that's short for self-made empire, you'll know what it stands for. So we got a lot of cool marketing stuff that's coming along with that. We'll go over that stuff a little bit later. Here, really quick here. So the system. Well, before that, really quick, shout out to Thaddeus and Bungie for hitting night. Woo! Hey, guys, that's huge, right? I think you guys skipped a rank. Remember I was saying that, guys, that some of you guys are just you're gonna get your third person, you're just gonna skip a rank. You're not even gonna be, you're not gonna hit founder. You're gonna go straight from rep to bishop, knight, whatever. You're just gonna be skipping ranks. So a lot is coming here. Let me turn on my chat so I can see what's going on here in the chat or whatever. So congratulations, you guys. Power couple doing big things. Really, man, it's going to be huge. So again, congratulations, guys. More to come. This is just the first rank. So you're not going to be there long. So don't get comfortable. But let's see here. We also have, let me see, Christian just hit founder as well. Congratulations, Christian. I know you've got some things you're working on as well. So congratulations. I know big things are going to be happening. Don't get comfortable. You're going to be moving past that as well. And we got a lot of people that got like 1 and 2. We got a lot of people that's like they'll get their third person probably as we're watching this. I have to update the back office. We probably got people hitting ranks right now. But and then we also have Lanacia hit Noble. Woo! Lanacia hit Noble as well. And just the beginning. And then, of course, I hit Noble. Hey, I'm Noble. I'm a Noble rep. And I think we're right there to hit the next rank as well. So I'm just excited, guys. I'm fired up, as you can tell. So, excuse me if I'm a little weird or whatever. But I'm just excited about what we're doing here. So let's jump right into it. I wanted to get that out the way really quick, make those recognitions. We're going to talk about that on the call tonight as well. So let's see here. So what we got to do here, let me change my screen here. Give me a second. And I'm going to jump on to, let me do it in Google Chrome here. You guys can see that. Hopefully, yeah, okay. Everybody should be able to see my page. Well, hold on. Let me do it a different way. Primary. I'll just do it like that. Okay, hopefully everybody can see this. Okay. Let me know if everybody can see this here. And let me move some stuff away here so I can see. All right. Okay. So this is the back office of the system. The name of the system is just SME for Life. That was a term that we used a lot when we were using this structure back in the day. Again, SME stands for Self-Made Empire. And so we've got some pretty cool branding that we're going to be doing again with that brand. We was trying to figure out what would be a good name. I was like, we could just use what we had before back in the day. So, and I had talked to a few other people. I was like, yeah, we need to bring that back. That was cool. So that's coming. So Self-Made Empire, SMEforlife.com is the name of the system. Okay, so SMEforlife.com/whatever. Now I'm in the back office here, as you can see here, and I'm gonna, Nacy's gonna send out the link for you guys to set it up, but I want to show you guys how this works and what it looks like in the back office. So this is just the main page. This is going to evolve. So just keep that in mind. It's going to evolve. We're going to be adding this, adding that, over time. But right now, we just got just the basic page that I've been using. But we're going to be adding a lot of toys in the back office. So as you can see here, has an image of me and Lanacia here, and this is what's called a gravatar image. I'm going to come back to that here in just a second. But if you look here, guys, it's really simple here. Let me zoom in. Full name, email address. You want to put your Tradera promotional tools link, right? You guys, you know what that is, right? Let me show you here. Let me pull it up, and I'll drag it over here. You guys should be able to see this here. So when you go into your back office of Tradera and you'll come over here to the promotional tools link, I'm going to copy this, right? Copy. Okay, let me move this out the way now. And then I'm going to come right back here to the promotional tools link here, and I'm just going to paste that there. Okay. Notice right here it puts like a space here. Make sure that you take that space out, or it's gonna give a little funny error or something like that. So because it shouldn't be a space in that field. So make sure you take out any spaces, and you should have that entire link there. Okay. So just make sure it has to be that, right? I just showed you where to get that in your back office. Then of course, if you hit save, when you hit save, there it is there. And then of course, if I let me scroll down, if you notice here, here's the actual page right here, and then there's my link, right? www.smeforlife.com / and then of course it's LS Rachel, right? And then yours would be the username that's associated with, or does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay, so it doesn't matter what your username is on this page here, on your link.
No email addresses.
Don't put an email address for that, though. Just make it a...
It needs to be a username. Don't put no emails, because it'll cause an error in the system, and then it'll pretty much just lock you out.
Gotcha. So make sure, if you look up here, when you create your account, which I'm going to show you what that looks like here in a second, you'll know what I mean here. But it's really simple. You'll see when you get there. Pretty self-explanatory. So when I click on the link here, it comes up, looks like this, right? And there's my gravatar image, so you guys can be able to put your own image here. And then there's the top video, second video, and then there's the third video, and then here are all of the examples. And we're going to be adding more here as well. So I'm going to be asking people. We're going to be congratulating and doing recognition. So we'll be adding images of members of our team to this list as well as we continue. Let me think here. So pretty simple. And again, with these videos, you can change out all these videos to your video. So if you got a video that you want to share your message, which I always highly recommend, you can definitely do that here. What's that?
Sorry. Go ahead.
So it's and you can
go back to that page. I'm sorry. So scroll all the way down, so people know that they're on the correct page. Their name will be at the bottom and their email address.
Okay, gotcha. So just to make sure you're on the right page, or your people, they'll be able to see referred by whoever, right? You will see that information right here. And the way that you can control that is, of course, whatever name that you put here, right here where it says full name. So if you want to if you're a couple, you want to put, you and your spouse there, or whatever, a business name or whatever. It really doesn't matter. It's totally up to you how you want people to see your name on the page. You actually control that. And of course, your email address is right there. That shows here, right? And then if I go back, let me see. Then right here it says top video, enter YouTube video ID only. And I'm going to show you what that means. So you can change the top video, the middle video, and the bottom video. Okay, so you have control to make those changes there, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So let me pull up YouTube really quick, and I'll show you. And I'm just gonna pick a video here. I can just pick Gary Vee. So if I click on this video here, Gary Vee, one of my mentors, videos here.
Weekly B.
Okay, let me pause that, and if you notice, here's the link for that video, right? So I can't make that bigger. So what you want to do is see this. Here's the full link, but you don't want the whole link. So let me repeat it. Okay. let's say this is the video that you want on your page, you do not need to copy the whole link. All you need is the YouTube ID. The YouTube ID is a group of letters and numbers, sometimes even different types of symbols or whatever that come after the equal sign on a YouTube video. Because you got your youtube.com/whatever equal, and then it's going to give you an ID number. It's kind of like the social security number for every YouTube video out there, right? So I'm going to copy the ID, and if you're noticing, I'm not copying the full YouTube link. I'm only copying the ID. The ID comes out when it comes after the equal sign on any YouTube video. Okay, so just make sure you got that. So here's the ID. So all I got to do is come back, and let's say I want to put it at the top here. I'm going to start it here at the top. So I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to hit save. And when I hit save, okay, you have successfully updated your profile. So now if I go back to my website and I hit refresh, it should change here. Yep, boom. See that? Just like that. So hopefully, and this is being recorded in the group as well. So if you want to go back and watch that over again, just watch. It's really simple. So you can change any video that you want or make adjustments or what have you. So it's pretty cool. And again, this is just the beginning. We got other things that I'm sure we'll be creating down the road because we really got big plans for Tradera. And really, really simple there. So let me go back here.
And then too, if they want to remove the video, just go back to the profile.
Okay.
Just empty that out.
So if you want to remove this video, let's say you want to change it, you're like, hey, I want to do something different. I'll go back to the
default.
Or go back to the default video that's there. Just highlight it, hit delete, then save, and then it should take it back to the default video. Let's see. Let's refresh. Bang. Boom. Get that? Okay. All right. Easy. Simple, simple, simple. Right? So you can change the videos. And again, if I come down here, here's the presentation page. This is all we got right now. We'll be adding different things and different bells and whistles later on, but we want to make sure everybody's ready to rock and roll. So that's available. And then, of course, right here below, here's another section where you can actually give people who you enroll. And here's the thing, guys. Don't just give this link out. What you want to do, use this as a bonus. People will join you because of systems that you have access to. So this is a carrot. Do not post this link like on your Facebook page or whatever. Only give it to people who are enrolling with you. Okay? As a member. Yeah. Okay, so once they paid and they're official, then you send them the link. You can, hey, go here, create your account, boom. And then they'll be straight. So
and clarification, they paid their $99, not just $15.
Yeah, the $99. So because some people will do that. I'm just saying. So you want to make sure that they're actually official reps in the in the company at the right level, and so then you'll be able to give that to them. So this is a bonus for you guys, right? So everybody here, when you create your account, you're going to have your own registration link. This is what it looks like. Let me click on it. Looks like this here, and people can come here. They'll, your prospect can come here, fill out their information, and then of course, when they fill out the information, they're going to automatically get logged into the back office. So they don't have to fill out this information and then try to find the information to log in. It's going to automatically throw them into the back office. And then they'll find their credentials in an email. It should be in their their primary inbox. If not, it might go into their spam folder. So just check their spam. They'll see something that says something from SME for Life, Self-Made Empire or whatever, and they'll see their login and their password or what have you.
They won't see the password, just the username.
Oh, just username, yeah, because they'll be able to create their password here, and then of course they'll see their username. So just make sure that they check their spam folder just for the credentials. But if they know their login and username and password, they won't even need that email for anything.
And if you're using Chrome, you can always save the password.
Yep, you can save it. So I always typically save it as well. So really, really simple. Did you want to? You can use it. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna put it in the group. in this chat here, and then I'll put it at the top of the deal a little bit later. I think I should be able to edit it. Here, let me, I got a lot of windows open here. 1 second. So, Tradera, launch 2020. And we're going to be changing the name as well. Remember, this is just a temporary name for the group. So let me find that video, and I'm going to comment in it right now. Here's the link. I just pasted it into the comments there, so you should be able to see it in the comments there. It should, probably because I'm live. Yeah, just go there. There it goes. Okay. So just go there, and you can be able to create your account and go into the back office. Now, really quick here, before you leave, real fast, I want to show you about this portion here when it comes to the Gravatar image. The Gravatar image is what puts the image on your website. Like, for example, if I go back to mine, where is it? Okay. See, there's that image of me and Lanacia. A lot of you guys already know this. Like, if you ever sign up for something and you use your email and then you log into the back office and you see your picture there, you're like, hey, how did I get my picture there? Well, your Gravatar, there's an image associated with your email address. So let me kind of break this down, and you'll see it's really, really simple. It's nothing hard or nothing like that. It's just a way to basically tie or connect a particular picture to an email address that you use all the time. And therefore, when you sign into certain systems and different things, and you see your image already there, they're basically just using your image that's tied to your email address. And let me show you how you can do that here really quick here. If you notice, I'm on this page here. Let me move a few things out the way here and see if I can make this a little bit bigger too. We'll do it at 100. Okay. So all you got to do is go to gravatar.com. What this is going to be able to do is to allow you to put your image on the top of that page. All right, so basically go to gravatar.com. Then from there, you want to click on Create Your Own Gravatar. And then when you click on that button there, it's going to take you to this page. And you'll see this is really simple, guys. Put your email address, your username, your password, and fill out the information. Hit Sign Up, right? When you do that, it's going to tell you to confirm your account. So just go back to your email address, look for that email address. It's going to come from I want to say like WordPress or whatever. I think it's like WordPress something. I think I got an example here. We'll see here. So just look for that. Confirm your email. It's going to look like this. There it is. WordPress.com. Activate your WordPress Gravatar account basically. And this is free. It doesn't cost anything. And so it's going to look like that in your email inbox. Open it up. When you go open up the email, just click on Activate Account. And then it should automatically just throw you right back into the back office of your Gravatar account. And then from here, what you want to do, you want to sign into Gravatar. And then it's going to be able to, you're going to see that email address that you created with your account. And again, this is free, guys. It doesn't cost anything. And then it says, whoops, looks like you don't have an image yet. So it already knows that you just created an account with an email and you don't have an image associated with that email address yet. Okay? So all you got to do is click here. Add one by clicking here, and then you can just pick an image that's on your computer. Typically, I just pick the ones. We got a lot of Gravatar images actually, but typically they're usually just images that I put on my computer. So, but if you've got it on online or something, that it gives you different ways of how you can pick an image. But typically, probably the easiest way is just find an image that's on your computer or put an image on your computer. It's just probably the easiest way. So you click on that. It's going to, come up to a page right here where I got to pick a file, try to find the file that I want to use. And let me go back. So you just click on Choose File. And then in this example, I chose this one. This page popped up here. I can crop the image and everything because this image was actually bigger. So I cropped it down some. And so here, crop and finish. So you click on that when you're done. And then you want to click on G rating. You just want to be able for everybody to see that image that's associated with your email account or systems, right? So it's just an automatic way to tie an image to your email account, okay? So click on Rated G. When you click on that, it's going to take you here, and you're going to start seeing that image associate itself with that email address. And then just to confirm it, you want to click. It's going to show it right here. It's just going to say, are you sure you want to use this one? Yes. You click on this right here again. And then basically you return back to your back office of whatever system that you're using. And here, enter your Gravatar email. in the field. So if I come back here, so just make sure when you create your Gravatar email address, it's the same one here. Make sense? Because I think I got another one. Let me see here. I'm going to put srachel2@gmail. Save. What's on this one? See how it changed? That's the image that I have associated with this particular email address. So hopefully that makes sense. So I told you I got like a whole bunch of them. So, and you can have multiple ones and all that kind of good stuff. So that's how. So now if I go back to my account and hit refresh, this image should change. Watch. See? It just changed. Okay? So simple. That's how you can get your image right here. If you don't have a image, it's probably going to give some kind of little funny little graphic or whatever. But that just basically means there's no Gravatar email address associated with your account. So all you got to do is go to gravatar.com, follow those steps that I just did. So at the end of this video, you can go back and rewind and go back to that section. And so it's pretty simple. So here, let me find my Ecamm deal here, and I'll come back. So that's it. That's it for now. I think that's it. Real simple, guys. So proud of you guys, man. This is crazy. I'm just like, this is going to be amazing. So I'm excited. We're going to get ready. We've been grinding. We had breakfast this morning, but we've just been grinding it out since early this morning. So we're going to go grab a bite to eat, get ready for the call here in about, I guess, about 2 hours. So we're going to grab something to eat real quick and get ready for tonight's webinar. So set up your account. That way, at the end of the webinar tonight, you already have a link that people can go to and sign up right then. They wouldn't have to contact you. If they already got the link, just boom, send them the information, and they can go ahead and sign up. So that's what we got for now, and we got a lot of other stuff coming. So just stay tuned. This is just the beginning, and so we're excited. So I'll let you guys get back to it, let you get everything set up. If you got any questions, reach out to myself or really Lanacia. she's the coder of the team, right? So if you got any questions, or just type it in the group or whatever. But if you have a question, just reach out to either one of us, and we'll go from there. So again, congratulations to all the new promotions. There's going to be a lot of people popping over the next few days, over the weekend. That's going to be fun, and so I'm excited. So hey guys, see you on the call in a few hours, and hey, let's rock. Let's get it. Talk to you later, guys.